everyone and welcome back to my channel. So in today's makeup tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to do a smoky eye look. If you guys want to know how to have the look that I'm about to create, then please subscribe to my channel for more makeup tutorial. If you guys want to see, I have already made my hair a perfect bun sleek look. I've washed my face, changed my attire. It's very good, especially during the winter time. I'm gonna go in with my serum. Serum is something that goes deep within your skin and tries to repair anything that's in the layer of your skin. You guys could see the difference. I just draw certain layers to just fill in the gap that I have on my brow. Like for instance, I had a brow gap here, so I will just fill in the places that I have brow, because in natural I do have a thick brow. So when I draw more than what it has there, then it's going to look darker and it doesn't suit for the way I'm going to dress up or the way I'm going to make up. So I just fill in the gaps in my brow. So now we are going to go in with our eyeshadow. This is going to be the base of my makeup today, this color right here. This is going to be the one that's going to layer all of the makeup product on my eyes. As you guys can see, I have a redness going on here, but I'm just gonna leave it the way it is without concealing it or without masking it. Like I always said, like for me, I am okay to go out with my under eye bags, or if I have a dark circles, or if I have pimples, if anything of such that happens for me on that day when I'm dressing up, it depends. I will never try to conceal it. I'm gonna use this pure black color from this palette here. It's called the Blackjack, this gray color, and I will top it off with this color a little bit, this orange here, and also to blend it I'm gonna use this color here. As you guys can see, I am just dabbing this color on my eyes. I'm not rubbing it this way, I'm not putting it this way, I am dabbing it. Just gonna draw it all around the eyeballs until the inner corner, but we're gonna blend it as you watch me do it. In this makeup tutorial, I am skipping my foundation routine. As you guys know, I love to dress up the way it is without applying too much of foundation, unless I'm going for a huge event or a huge party. I'm just cleaning off all the eyeshadow falls around my eyes using a clean tissue paper, and taking this champagne color from the ABH palette, I am just highlighting my brow bone. So taking my liquid liner, I am just making a very thin layer of winged liner on the outer corner of my eyes, and as you guys can see, I am not applying this liner right until the inside of my eyelids. The next thing I'm doing is I'm taking my contour and my bronzer, mixing them together just to create a very defined jawline, jawbone for my look today. For the lips, I am using the Fenty Beauty Matchstick under the shade of Cinnamon, and this is going directly to my lips. This is a very beautiful cinnamon color that is perfect for this look that I am creating. Although you can put it on your cheeks, I think makeup is all about being fun, and I'm just creating this look on my lips, and I'm topping off with a lip liner just to give a defined look for my lips. So I never thought of putting on a highlighter for this look, but here I'm doing just a very small layer of it on my brow bone, on the bridge of my nose, And yes, we are done with the makeup look. This is the perfect simple way to get a smoky eye look that I always do for any event that I were to go. So I hope you guys like it. Subscribe to my channel.